Okay, today I got in a bracket for my Starlink Mini. So I'm gonna, because right now my Starlink is just sitting on top of the roof, haywired on the peak. I'm gonna put it off the peak, sticking out. All the hardware, bracket. That's it for in the box. So we'll get it together, and oh, I've got some big lag bolts. Even got a drill bit and a little wrench. Allen wrench. It's like an Allen wrench, but up the sides on it. Oh, it looks like it's metric. 10. That don't matter. Anyway, we got the tools. We got the hardware itself. Time to get her done. Okay, so you can see the Starlink Mini up there on the peak, on the roof. I'm going to get that unwired and down in position, and then we'll hook on the new bracket. But I got to go up on my ladder, bring another ladder, make it across. Slow and easy wins the race. A little bit of ice, slip hazards. That's okay. You take your time. Nobody gets hurt. Okay, we got her. Disconnect the cable. Now I got to bring up the brackets and whatnot. Yeah, we got the hardware. We got the installation guide, and screws and tools. Okay, on the guide here, we got to first of all take out the leg. Squeeze the release tab and pull it away from the fixed location. Okay, let's see if we can get that off. Okay, there's a tab here on the dish. You got to lift it, pull up on the tab, and you can see there's little it fits into little notches. You're gonna make sure that's up well, and then pulls out just like that. And now let's see, we've got to thread the wire through the this base. So pretty simple. Out through the bottom on the one side, and then out through this little notch on the top there. 10mm socket. One more. There we go. Now, put this pipe on, and then it'll go right inside here. Oh shit. Look at that. Looks like this metal might be in the way. I might be able to just get it. We'll see. Okay, got her mounted here. On mine, each installation might be a little different, but mine I cut about, I think it was 1.5 inches, some conduit sections here to bring it out so it wouldn't hit the metal roofing up here. So it brings it out and it's nice and solid. Those lag bolts in. Then you put your upright pipe in. This will be to secure it. These little set screws. But for now I leave it adjustable so I can get the mini dish up there and adjust it to the right angle. Because you may have to look on your app for the Starlink Mini. I think it's the same for all of them, and it'll show you exactly what angle you have to have it sitting at for optimum operation. So let's get her up and in place. There we go. Slides in nicely. I got to get the bolt in. It looks about the right angle right there too. But I'll tighten it up and then I gotta go check it on the app. There we go. Looks beautiful. And she's nice and solid as a rock. I'm gonna fire up the internet there and make sure it's the right angle. Okay, to check the alignment, just pull up the app, Starlink, and hit on alignment. And it says Starlink is aligned. Your Starlink is pointed in the correct direction. So we're good. I hope you enjoyed that video and got something out of it. If so, please like, share, comment. And there will be a link in the description if you need this bracket yourself or someone else does. Have a great day and never give up the dream.